Cali received a JoJo Siwa box in the mail. And what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna unbox it.
Alright, so let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the
video. Okay, let's see what's inside. Wow! Guys, look at this. It's a pencil case. Okay, let's see. There's clothes. And this is Bobo. It's JoJo Siwa's doggy. And this is JoJo Siwa. Wow.
Let's see. Wow, JoJo Siwa doll pretty much.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Let's see what else you got.
I got JoJo Siwa dress.
Oh my goodness. That is so pretty.
And the JoJo Siwa light.
Show us the light. Oh, it's a hair bow light. That's awesome. What else?
And look.
Wow, is that a pin to put on your jacket?
Yeah.
Or is it a keychain? Oh my goodness. It looks like a charm.
Yeah.
That's awesome, Cali.
Let's open all the stuff.
Yeah, let's see. Open it all up, girl.
I'm gonna open up JoJo first because JoJo is my favorite. I got it out. Look, guys.
Oh my goodness, Cali, that is so cool. Wow.
Let's pretend that JoJo is here. Hi, guys. I'm JoJo. I like to see Cali. She's the beautiful one. Thank you. Bye. And then let's play with the dog and JoJo Siwa.
Yeah, you can put that on like a keychain or something, can't you?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I'm going to do this. And this is my dog, Bobo. Let's go, Bobo. That's so funny. And look at my pencil case.
That's really
It's full of
cool.
beautiful stuff. Okay, let's open it. Wow. There's nothing in it, but it looks super nice. Guys, we can put this inside.
Yes, you can. That's a good idea.
Let's open it up first.
Okay.
Look, guys.
Let's see. Wow, is that a camera? Wow, that is awesome.
Okay, let's take it out. Got it.
That is so cute, Cali. Okay, let's see you try on the shirt that came in the box.
Okay.
Be right back.
Hey, guys. I got my dress on. Does it look beautiful?
It says glow on, girl.
And the light works. I can put it in my room.
That is so cool, Cali. Oh my goodness. That is such a cool JoJo Siwa box, Cali. Did you love it?
Yes. Make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell right there or right there. Because we do film videos on FamousTubeKIDS every single day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Subscribe.